waiting to go in for my first treatment. It's almost noon, and I got 3 hours of sleep last night. I had my first chemotherapy treatment on Wednesday. I was given 6 steroid pills to take, 2 to be taken the day before, and 2 the day of, and the 2 after. Today, Friday, is the first day without steroids. And let me tell you, I'm feeling it. A little nauseous. I am taking Zofran during the day. There's another medication they gave me for at night that supposedly helps me sleep. I took it last night. It does not help me sleep. Maybe it works for some of you. I will have to put the name in later after I finish the video because I'm not getting up right now. You know, maybe a little too much information, but I do have severe diarrhea from the drugs. This is just me being 100% honest with what all this does to my body. Like I said in the first video, I'm sharing my experience so that if you're going through this or you're about to go through it, everyone's different. You may not get the same symptoms I do. You may go through chemotherapy with very few negative side effects, which is wonderful. And I hope that that is the case for all of you. Some of you probably have had it much worse than I the first few days. And I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for you that you had to go through something like this. But right now it is 7:30 at night. I slept from this afternoon until now. Like I said, running to the bathroom, trying to drink water. I found spring water, spring bottled water, tastes the best. It does not have chlorine, taste, or smell in it, which right now I could barely put tap water. I could barely rinse my mouth out with it right now. It's so gross. Surprisingly, I am eating potato salad made with mustard. Usually I eat the kind with mayonnaise, but it was what we had. So mustard potato salad it is. My daughter also brought home a pizza slider from Arby's, which is very greasy. And I was warned about greasy foods. But for some reason, I saw the sandwich, and I remember the nurse I went in to see, they usually have a sit down with you. I'll talk about that in another previous video. Sit down and talk to you about what to expect. And greasy foods were one of the things they said you probably shouldn't eat. But I saw the sandwich, the pizza slider, and I was like, okay, I think I can eat this. So I had the top part of the bun, and I had a few bites of the actual sandwich. And I remember the nurse saying, whatever you can eat, whatever your body will allow you to eat, eat. And that's what I've been doing. For lunch today, I had a little container of applesauce, you know, for the kind you put in kids' lunches. I had one of those. I had a few bites of potato salad. And I had a little juice, little container of juice. And right now my dinner is potato salad, a cereal bar of some sort, and the pizza slider's still sitting there, but I had a couple bites. And water. Like I said, spring water is the best for me right now. Whatever works for you, you need to do it. Any kind of nutrients is better than none. You do want to drink something, whether it's Pedialyte, juice, water, putting something in the water to make it taste better to you. You need to drink it, especially if you have diarrhea, so you don't dehydrate. Don't put yourself in that dangerous position of dehydrating while you on top of having cancer. Okay? But other than that, I feel extremely weak. Last night, before I went to bed, my husband and I were playing video games, and I felt okay. I was still on the steroids. I got up to shut everything off and go to bed, and I didn't realize how weak my body had become sitting there for 1 or 2 hours. I got up and I grabbed my phone, and I swear it was like in the cartoons where you think you have a grip on something and it just slips out of your hand and you're fumbling trying to catch it, and then you end up not catching it. My phone landed on the floor. The screen is cracked. I've never done something like that before. I'm always really careful. But that's when I realized how weak my grip was and everything. And today it's even worse. I'm squeezing my phone right now to hold on to it, and my fingers are going numb. So, but this is the day, the 2 days after my actual treatment, and that's kind of what's going on. It's not the worst, you know. I mean, I have felt worse having the flu or a cold or something. I have felt worse, but it's not fun. I haven't noticed. I cut my hair. This is not from chemo, but all the videos I have watched preparing for this moment, they all suggested to cut your hair. Two reasons. One, I cut it slowly at different lengths, and a lot of you who are friends with me on Facebook saw the different haircuts I was doing leading up to this right here. Another reason was a lot of the women I saw on YouTube, the videos I watched, said losing large clumps of hair, and a lot of it was messy, so messy. And they were finding big, long globs of hair everywhere. So I said, I'm not dealing with that mess. So here it is. I cut it really short. It's fuzzy. I also watched a video of a woman saying that her hair follicles actually hurt. And I heard that was actually a couple people said that they could actually feel their hair in their follicles moving around as their hair, was starting to fall out. I don't notice anything yet. They said usually within the first 10 days, so I will keep you posted. But I'm going to jump off here, try to eat some more, try and rest. Hopefully I'll get some sleep tonight, and we'll talk to you soon. All right. God bless you all, and take care of yourself. Bye. Today is Saturday. I had chemo Wednesday. Last night was okay. I started having some weakness again. Felt kind of nauseous. Today it's been bad. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. I've been in bed all day. I'm weak. I feel like when I'm walking, I'm on a ship, swaying back and forth. I just started eating something. Small little bites, really slowly. Took Zofran, been sipping on water. My head, right here, my hair hurts. I mean, it hurts. really badly. I'm just kind of trying to, I don't know, massage the follicles. I don't know if it'll help, but it hurts pretty bad, and I haven't really been able to get up except to go to the bathroom. Hubby has given me a cold pack and a rag ran under hot water. I feel severe pressure all over here. So the warm rag has been helping with that, but I've had some really bad muscle pain in my shoulder and my neck, so the ice has been helping with that. Other than that, just trying to rest and eat and not get sick. Hello. I forgot what day it is. I think it's Sunday. I had chemo Wednesday. I've been in bed for 2 days with stomach cramps, diarrhea, headache, pain all over my body. I've been able to eat. The counselor said to just eat whatever looks, smells, or sounds good. So that's what I've been doing. Hubby made me eggs twice today. Went out for a late night run for deep dish pizza, which I was able to actually eat one piece. And juice, lots of water. Even the water I was drinking, I found myself getting dehydrated. My lips were starting to get dry and cracked. So normal amounts of water wasn't really enough. I really had to keep sipping and get it down. I'm drinking a little bit of ginger ale. Still crampy. Muscle soreness is going away. I had a fishbowl effect with my eyes walking around. I had trouble with depth perception. So walking around was really weird and strange, and if I walked around too much, it made me kind of nauseous. It felt like I was on a boat. But if I'm sitting down, I'm okay. So this is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah. So, but I feel like it's getting better. They say symptoms within the first 10 days, and they could be different. I could feel differently tomorrow. I don't know, but I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. I really think the worst is over. If not, God is here with me. He's never left my side. He will not forsake me. So I'm just trying to get through it and still be a mom and still be a wife. Hubby has been running up and down the stairs. I was upstairs for 2 days. It was a shorter trip to the bathroom. It's right across the hall. So advice, make sure that you are cool. Have a fan. Don't get too hot because it will make you more nauseated. Sip water, any kind of water that tastes good. Even if you have to add a little something to the water, make sure it's mostly water. Just drink it. Whatever you have to do to drink it. Eat whatever you can and whatever you can keep down. Me personally, I tried chicken noodle soup. The broth tasted really funny. I tried mandarin oranges. They normally taste really sweet to me, like the canned ones. They're very sweet, juicy, and awesome. But when I was eating them, I was getting an acidic aftertaste. So I kind of held off on those until later today, and I just kind of ate one little section at a time. Gave me some vitamin C, you know. Other than that, don't walk around too much on your own. I made the mistake of walking around the house without hubby, and I ended up banging my head right there on a door. I had opened the door and went to shut it, but bent my head down. I have no idea what happened, but I was a little woozy, so don't walk around by yourself. It's not safe. What else? Do not eat things that may give you gas, because it will add to your cramps that you're having. Skin, my head hurt. My head, my entire head hurt. Not a sinus. This hurt too, around my eyes and right here. And I kept having to put hot cloth on it. But my actual skin hurt all over it. It's still kind of sensitive, but, just figure out something that'll make you feel better. I'm losing my eyelashes already. They're going away. Bye, lashes. Bye-bye. But that's it for now. Tomorrow is Memorial Day. I don't know how I'm going to be feeling. We don't have anything really going on tomorrow because my chemo, we weren't really up for having visitors or having a party or anything. Very thankful that a lot of people took care of my hubby and my daughter this weekend, making sure that they had food and making sure my daughter had fun things to do other than being stuck in the house with sick mommy. So we'll see how tomorrow, Monday, goes, and high hopes. I got high hopes.